Emotions play an important role in our everyday lives, influencing decisions that are both mundane and consequential. How we understand, process, and act on our emotions depend on a number of factors, one of which includes the culture and society that we identify ourselves with. The two most general classifications that most cultures fall under include collectivism and individualism. These terms are often associated with certain stereotypes relating to family, work ethic, education, and so on. Most people would associate Eastern cultures as being more inclined towards collectivism, while Western cultures tend to indicate more individualistic tendencies. While many will normally only interact with members of the same in group, it's important to understand the fundamental differences that can appear with other cultures that may be collectivistic or individualistic. The University of Hawaii, specifically Manoa campus, provides a unique opportunity to find aspects of both cultural types due to diverse population of the campus and its position as a gateway between the East and West. For new students and faculty, it can be difficult to adjust to such a clash of different behaviors, norms, and customs that can be found in the classroom, campus, and across the wider island communities. This video will act as a primer to the cultural and emotional aspects of collectivism and individualism, sharing the differences and similarities between the two and how they can manifest in the academic setting.
First, we'll focus on the collectivism aspect of culture. Many would identify strong community and family responsibility as core characteristics, highlighting the importance of communalism and conformity to collectivism. China, Japan, and Korea are often cited as principal examples of collectivist cultures, leading to the grouping of most Eastern cultures as collectivist societies. These societies often value those individuals that maintain the role provided to them in the social hierarchy of the in-group. Individuals from a collectivist culture are often mindful of their behaviors and actions that can impact the reputation of their family or community. This leads members to fulfill the expectations of others in order to remain socially acceptable and accomplished. Although being placed in an independent environment can lead to an increase in stress and negative emotions, some features of collectivism can assist with managing academic stress and pressures. Having a communal family and friend system provides students with opportunities to share their problems. In many respects, individualism contrasts as an opposite to collectivism. Members of individualistic in-groups tend to prioritize their own goals and self before the consideration of the collective. Though family and community can still be considered important to individualistic members, they do not subordinate the individual to the social demands of others as critically as collectivist cultures. They would take pride in their achievement and it shows in their behaviors in school. They are often more likely to compete with other students in achieving better grades and going above and beyond in school clubs. These members are seeking more opportunities as they want to show their independence in the community. These individualistic societies have a focus on creativity, opportunity seeking, and problem solving in the school environment. Western individualistic members have higher academic stress due to being unable to seek support from family and friends. This can be attributed to support systems that are less developed than their collectivist counterparts.
Collectivist cultures have a strong focus in community, as they believe the group is stronger than the individual. The achievement of one can be applied to others who help them. In contrast, individualist cultures have a strong focus of independence, as they believe in achievements for themselves. These ideals reflect in their behaviors in the school environment. The big difference between the two groups is their way of handling academic stress and their support systems. Collectivist groups have family and friends that help to reduce their negative emotions from school. Individualist groups do not have a strong support system, so it leads to not releasing their academic stress. The stress could lead to the development of unhealthy behaviors like skipping class and not turning in homework.